Welcome to our video on tips for hiring a professional drain cleaner in Calgary. If you're facing a clogged drain or a blocked sewer line, it's important to find a reliable and experienced professional who can solve the problem efficiently. In this video, we will discuss some important factors to consider when hiring a drain cleaning service in Calgary. One of the first things to look for when hiring a drain cleaner in Calgary is their experience and expertise. A reputable drain cleaning company will have a team of trained professionals who are knowledgeable and skilled in handling all types of drain issues. Make sure to inquire about the number of years they have been in business and ask for references from previous clients. Drain issues can occur at any time, day or night. That's why it's important to choose a drain cleaner in Calgary that offers 24/7 emergency service. This ensures that you can get assistance whenever you need it, even during weekends or holidays. Look for companies that have a dedicated hotline or customer support team that can provide immediate assistance. When hiring a drain cleaner in Calgary, it's crucial to ensure that they are licensed and insured. A license indicates that the company has met the necessary requirements and follows industry standards. Insurance, on the other hand, protects both you and the drain cleaner in case of any accidents or damages during the cleaning process. Always ask for proof of insurance and verify its validity. Transparent pricing is another important factor to consider when hiring a drain cleaner. A reputable company will provide you with a detailed breakdown of the costs involved, including any additional charges for specialized equipment or extra labor. Avoid companies that give vague estimates or provide extremely low prices, as they may surprise you with hidden costs later on. Before making a final decision, take some time to read customer reviews and testimonials about the drain cleaner in Calgary. Online platforms such as Google, Yelp, or the company's website can provide valuable insights into the experiences of previous clients. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced understanding of the company's reputation and customer satisfaction levels. Last but not least, inquire about the guarantees and warranties offered by the drain cleaner in Calgary. A reputable company will stand behind their work and provide a certain level of guarantee for their services. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you can rely on them to rectify any issues that may arise after the drain cleaning process. Hiring a professional drain cleaner in Calgary doesn't have to be a daunting task. By considering factors such as experience, emergency service, licensing, transparent pricing, customer reviews, and guarantees, you can make an informed decision and hire a reliable drain cleaning service. Remember, it's always better to invest in quality service to avoid recurring drain problems in the future.